Hey guys, Rick Hogg with War HOGG Tactical, and I just want to talk to you about first time handling a new firearm. So again, a lot of times people ask me, or I ask people out on the range, hey, what kind of gun is that? Can I check it out? And man, there's all kinds of different protocol and activities people do when it comes to handing another person a firearm. So for me, the first and foremost is I want to make sure that I lock the action to the rear. Number one, that confirms for me that I know the firearm is clear. And then I check the magazine well, make sure there's no mag in there so I know the condition of the pistol that I'm handing someone else. So when you're looking at it, it's really this easy. Hey, if the pistol's sitting here, just secure it, lock the action to the rear, boom, I've verified chamber, magazine area is clear. That's step one. Now I can pass it off. And if you notice the way I'm passing it to said individual, I'm not passing it with the muzzle pointed at him. I'm basically passing it with the butt there, where now he can easily secure the firearm and go from there. The other thing I see is when people end up getting this new firearm, man, there's all kinds of crazy things that go on. They'll secure it, but they'll never let the slide go forward. They'll never actually dry fire it. They'll never actually really do anything with it. It's kind of like they sit there and go, oh, okay, thanks, great. And really, you'll see them kind of do this, and I'm like, to me, I'm like, what are you getting out of that? To me, nothing. So for me, what I want to do is, boom, as soon as I get it, roger that, it's clear. I'm going to let the slide go forward. I know that's my safe direction. The firearm is clear, and I'm presenting that pistol out, and I want to see what that trigger feels like. That's my first and foremost. Now you notice here, I'm going to hold that trigger to the rear because I want to reset, and now I want to listen for it and feel it. There's the trigger reset. I know where it's at. I wasn't super happy because I let it go a little too much further, so I think I can fix that. So I'm still going to hold it to the rear. Now I'm starting to feel that. Still went past a little bit. That's all right. I'm going to do it one more time. And really, I want to feel, where's that reset? There she is, and I'm right there. Fire one more time. Good. Now at this point, you've got to be careful working that action with your finger on, because if you don't get in the habit or mindset, hey, as soon as that pistol's coming back, take your finger off, you can potentially have some dramas. So I know I came back, we reworked the action. Now what I want to do is just go, hey, how does this feel coming from a holster if I have the same holster? So really, I can just sit there, hands kind of down at the side, draw the pistol out, and I'm still going through the same sequence because I want to feel that trigger. To me, the trigger is the most important aspect of the gun, because if I don't understand where the trigger's sitting at, it's all just kind of wasted time. So I've got it reset. I'm going to holster one more time, draw the pistol out. Now I'm starting to figure out where this thing breaks at. If I want to, I can actually get the empty magazine. Hey, how does it go in there? What's the mag well like? How well does it release? All these different things to figure out what, different features with this pistol. How's it feeling? How's it working? How am I manipulating it? And oh, by the way, trying to master that trigger, because really what I want to do is kind of the final step is, if I have the ability, is I actually want to fire this pistol. So guys, go ahead, put your eyes and ears on. We're going to go ahead and fire this Walther PDP, and let's see how it runs. So again, secure the pistol up because I've got it handed to me with this open slide position. Got my mag with some ammunition. It's going in, driving forward, presenting out. Boom, conduct my War HOGG check. Here's the deal, guys. When I first get this pistol, I don't care about burning it down. What I want to do is really kind of see, where's my accuracy at? How's this gun shooting? What's the recoil feel like? So I'm not looking for speed. I'm just going, hey man, let me start feeling this thing. And eventually, as time goes on, we can see how this pistol runs. So again, drive it out, make sure everything's aligned. Nice reset on the trigger. We're set. Sights are back there. And you'll hear me, I'm resetting that trigger every time, so I want to know where that point is. And then once I'm kind of happy shooting that little live fire volley, I can switch on to something else. Hey, at this point, I'm kind of satisfied. I'm ready to hand the pistol back to whoever the owner is, remove the source of feed, lock the action to the rear, make sure the chamber's clear, magazine areas, and then I can easily hand it back to whoever the owner is. So again, guys, nothing wrong with trying new pistols out there. I highly encourage it. See what's out there. Try different guys, the pistols, and hey, this one maybe works for you, maybe this one doesn't. But at the end of the day, have a routine how you're gonna do it. Make sure we're handing actions open to the rear. And again, don't worry about doing a quick, hey, burn it down. Figure out that trigger, see where everything feels at, and then start ramping things up. Hopefully this tip will help you out. Try it next time you're out in the range and enjoy working with other people's firearms.